Are you having problems with Microsoft Outlook Social Connector not locating the Socialconnector Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. To begin our Socialconnector Library troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Socialconnector Library, the Outlook Social Connector engine. It manages the localized API handshakes between Microsoft Outlook and external social graph providers, such as LinkedIn. It facilitates the localized retrieval of contact photos and real-time status updates, integrating them directly into the localized Outlook people pane. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error commonly appears when Microsoft Outlook Social Connector specific files are missing or corrupted in the app folder. Reinstall the official version of Microsoft Outlook Social Connector to repair the application and replace the Socialconnector Library DLL dependency. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Socialconnector library file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Installing an unverified version of Socialconnector Library DLL is a common security pitfall that can inadvertently bypass your system's built-in execution safeguards and firewall. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. If missing library references are a concern, the suggested resource below provides general system maintenance information. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Socialconnector library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support